Have you tried everything to cure stubborn acne and nothing worked? I know that feeling because I've been there. For years, I have struggled with stubborn acne that just wouldn't go away, no matter what I tried. So, when nothing seemed to work, I decided to take a different path. I turned to nature and began experimenting with gentle, natural cleansing powder. Through trial and error, I slowly created a blend that truly worked for my skin. And because it's naturally made, it doesn't give overnight results, but that's the beauty of it. It works gently. So, over time, I noticed my skin becoming less inflamed, calmer, the pores are disappearing. Fast forward today, my skin is clear and I have been using this blend consistently for past 6 years, and it has helped me keep my acne under control in most natural way. So let's start. So the first ingredient is this besan. It is a chickpea flour and you can find it any Indian grocery store, and if not, then I have added all the links in the description box. It is gently exfoliant and it helps control the oil, and it has skin lightening properties and cleansing property. So next thing is the Moong Bean Powder. So you can also use this grinder to grind it at home, and trust me, it turns into the fine powder instantly. So I have used organic mung bean. They also use in a lot of skincare products lately. So it's high in vitamin C, E, and antioxidant, and it helps inflamed skin a lot. And the next thing is the rice flour. So again, this is natural enzymes help reduce dark spots from the acne, and the vitamin E protects the skin. And the next thing is this neem powder. So this is very effective in curing the acne because it has anti-inflammatory properties and it also contains flavonoids, and it is just amazing. People use this to clean their teeth also, so I'm using that. Next is the Fuller's Earth. Now this will control the oil. It will, if you have oily skin, it highly useful in controlling the oils. I highly recommend this. And then next thing is this hibiscus powder, and it naturally hydrates your skin, so your skin is not over drying, and it promotes blood circulation, so and increase collagen production. It also brightens the skin and it gives you the rosy glow. So that one. And then this one is optional. It's alum powder. It soothes irritated skin, it tightens skin, prevents acne, skin feels softer and smoother. But if you don't have, just skip it. Then we're going to use the organic turmeric. So make sure you grind it at home. So make sure there is no additives or no coloring agents in it, otherwise it will make your skin worse. Use organic as much as possible and possibly grind it yourself at home. And the next thing is we're going to add, this is completely optional, and this is sandalwood powder, and it reduces redness, swelling, irritation, so it will help your inflamed skin, and it combats acne. So I added this. You can completely skip any of the ingredient. Please read the description box of what you can omit and what you can't, and what is absolutely necessary. Now store this blend into the clean jar. And also, I almost forgot, I also like to add the licorice root powder. This is the skin lightener. It will help to fade the acne spot. Now there are a few ways to apply this depending on your skin type. I have mentioned on the screen how to apply this, and you can also skip any of the ingredient that is irritating, start slowly, and I apply a very thin layer and let it dry for 2 to 5 minutes, and then rinse it with water. This is a very good cleanser for daily use, and I highly recommend it because it has worked for me. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to consistently use this to see the results. So I wish you very good luck with radiant skin. Thank you for watching.